What's up, guys? Lonnie back here for another video. Today I can't put on. Finally. Okay. What's up, guys? Lonnie back here for another video. And today, I'm not putting my intro on this one. Oh my gosh, dogs these days. So barking. Okay, so guys, as you remember in my last video, if you guys did see my last video, unboxing literally. So, we got some, oh my gosh, we got some good stuff, good-ish stuff. So, I'm gonna be trying, sorry if I put my hand in, I'm gonna be trying to, well, just try the snacks that we got. So let's see what. So as you guys remember, this is what I'm just gonna show you guys. Oh, okay. So this is what we got. So we got this. Yikes! What's that? With this. Potato chips? What? This is going to, I'm just going to clutter all these. And guys, as you did see, I do know how to make thumbnails now. So, I can always make thumbnails for you guys. And I got this. What is this? So, once again, I think they're chocolate chip, but I am not sure. So, this is golden. So guys, we are gonna be trying all of these technically. So, I'm sweating so much. Enjoy the rest of the video. So, we're gonna be trying all of these. My gosh. So, first, let's just put them all like this. Whatever. So, I'm just going to be doing this. So, first, I have no idea. Which one should we try? Let's try smallest to biggest. So, let's try this first. And these might be really disgusting. So, remember, this is for you guys. This is for content for you guys. This looks nasty. This looks so... It smells good, but it looks so nasty. Look at this! Like, boy, what is this? You guys are probably saying, wow, Lonnie, it's a cracker. Just eat it. It's not a cracker. And I do not, and I know that because it doesn't look like one. So... Let's eat the first bite. I don't know what I did. So, let's eat the first bite, shall we? Oh! Okay, guys, sorry I did that again. I didn't just sit on that. Never get in my way again. So, guys, it's the moment you're waiting for. We're going to be trying it. It doesn't really taste that bad. Yeah, so, here, don't want it, okay. So, it does, I'm not eating that no more. I don't really like it, but I'll take another bite. I'm gonna work the food. Oh, guys, after this, I want to show you an amazing candy that my mom got me. So first, let's try all of these. I wonder what this is, but now we have to try this nasty thing? To be honest, I don't even know if it's nasty. Why do all the mosquitoes come to me? Actually, there are no mosquitoes on me right now. So... Ew. is it me or this looks really weird? Comment down below right now. Does this look really weird? Cause I don't want to eat it. Be right back. Okay guys, we are back. Sorry for that delay. Okay, so that looks really gross. Ugh. So next we're going to be trying the potato chips. Potato chips, nice. Seriously, again, just move it in my way if you don't want to get crushed. I have no idea. It says mokachi. Comment down below if you either know what that means or have no idea what it says. Oh my gosh. This is so... Oh, you can just rip it open. Okay, let's just eat it. Oh! I burned my foot! Oh! Oh! Okay, guys, sorry for another delay. I did take a little bite of it, but that tasted horrible. If you guys knew what I was suffering through, you guys would knew. Let's just put that there. I'm gonna be trying. What is this? Like a waffle cake? Okay. I'm gonna be trying this waffle cake. I think it is. Smells good. That's what it looks like. Oh my god. Yeah, I blacked out. What happened again? Why do I have this? Why did I have this in my mouth? Why is this all over here? JK. This tastes really good, but I bit it with my two loose tooth, so that's a problem. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. That's good. Whew. I'm sweating. So hot. Okay. Let's go. I have no idea what this is. Please, people, tell me in the world. This actually looks pretty good, but what is it? What is this? Boy, like what? One of them looks good. This looks good. It is good. That's only one of them. Oh, good. What's this? Please tell me. Actually, you guys wouldn't know. But I tried anyway. What? Okay. A roll of seaweed. With something inside it. Let's take a bite. Whoa. 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 It tastes amazing. Oh, it's really good. Okay, look, I just have all of these stacked up right here. I have no idea what I'm doing. And that was really good. I was worried. Okay, I'm worried. What is this? Muffin cake? Doesn't taste that bad. I don't want it. There's literally just a pile of things. That's not going good. Like, what's the point of? Here's the point of having this. Not as a lid. As this. So let's try the last two. This. What is this? It's all red. Okay, sorry, I missed. I'm the worst gamer in the world. Except for Nerf guns. I'm really good at it. Guys, I do want to give a shout out to one person. I gave a shout out to him already. Xlit. The reason I want to give a shout out to him is because, and I want to ask him a question. How do I get phone tripods? That's the question for him. And I just give him a shout out, so that's all. And this is why I'm giving him a shout out. Now I'm saying why I'm giving shout outs. So if you guys comment down below, first or whatever, I will pick your comment, then reply to you. Then I'll shout out your comment. So yeah, let's continue with this funny business. I don't know what I said. Is this the exact same thing? Wait. It's the exact same thing, but with no seaweed. What's the point of mailing all of this? And this, the red thing, what's the point of mailing that with this? If there's already seaweed on one inside one. People think these are we're gonna be trying the last one. It has silver on it. I have no idea what that means. So let's try it, shall we? Oh, that smells horrible. I'm sweating like crazy. It's so hot. Whoa. It's salty. I like salt. Okay, guys. Oh, that was delicious. Oh, that one's good. So this is Japanese candy. Hallelujah. Oh wait, sorry, I did a backflip. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Okay, I need to stop doing that. Guys, this is versus. The title will say versus. This versus this. And we're gonna see which one's better. Oh, you're flipping hitting me. Okay, this has wrapping on it. So let's just take the wrapping off. Oh wait, here's the hilarious trick. You guys think this has wrapping on it, but it doesn't. It does not have wrapping on it. It's pretty stupid to make like this, but like the product without wrapping, then someone would think it has wrapping on it, but it does not. Look. The wrapping, bad candy. The wrapping. enjoyed this. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video.